Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the system-level dark theme so apps that follow the OS can switch automatically. Open Settings, go to Display or Appearance, and choose Dark or Automatic. Once done, set a schedule if you want night activation. This reduces manual toggles. Make sure your OS version supports system-wide themes and you saved any custom color profiles. You're establishing the baseline so compatible apps inherit dark mode without individual changes. Next, handle apps that don't automatically follow the OS. You open each app settings and look for Appearance, Theme, or Display. Choose Dark or Follow System. For apps lacking those options, enable high contrast modes, reader views, or install official plugins/extensions that provide dark skins. In browsers, use reliable dark mode extensions and check experimental flags to force dark rendering for web pages. This step ensures consistency across tools that don't inherit the system theme. To finish, restart apps and, if needed, reboot the device so theme changes take effect everywhere. Make sure all apps are updated. Some require the latest version to support System Dark. If you see poor contrast or unreadable text, tweak app color settings or use accessibility contrast controls to improve legibility. If a specific app still shows light UI, clear its cache, disable conflicting extensions, or reinstall the app. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.